back to the Biscay. This is my fifth day in if you count. I started at 8 AM and now it's about 1 PM on a Friday, so I still say it's 4 days. Gorgeous day. This is the best day so far. Not much wind, still southerlies. I'm hoping get a bit more into the Biscay and then I can get the norths down to Madeira. Beautiful day, the best day so far. The last 4 days have been pick-up days, all southwest westerly winds. Just head on, just couldn't get anywhere down south where I wanted to come. But I'm here, and this is the start of it. There's not much traffic. I see 1 or 2 fishing boats which I need to keep an eye out for, especially at night time. But now I'm here. Isn't this great? Teething problems. Forepeak door fell off in the middle of the night. Referral is still not 100%. I've got 2 turns on it to make sure it doesn't come out of the track still. I can't get the main or the key sound. I'm sure there's going to be something simple to undo. I just can't do it right now. But besides that, I'm feeling great. Boat's feeling great. Boat's in good shape. What's more to be said? No stars tonight to keep me company, but I have the moon, well, a small moon. Having to motor now, or motor sail, sort of. I'm too close to Brest, and with the winds, it's going to blow me on to Brest, and not in a good way. So I'm motoring south, get south of Brest, then hopefully pick up some northerlies. See what that, and we'll see what happens. Still a very still night. 13 knots of wind on the nose, so I reckon I'm making about 5 dats. So beautiful night again. It's like the sunset before. Night watch normally consists of me having a quick look around. 360. As you can see, there's a light over there I need to keep an eye on. Now over there, but there is something right behind me. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, which I need to really keep an eye on. Every half hour my alarm goes off and I get up and I check. I normally sleep. You can't see it on video, but that is my starboard side locker, which I normally sleep on. I can sleep down there, which you can't see in the galley, but I get too lazy, and because I live on a boat, I wake up and I'm thinking back on my mooring until a few seconds later I realise, oh shit, I'm sailing, and I get up. So to stop that, since it's nice night, I just come up here, watch the stars, not many tonight, watch the sunset, watch the sunrise. It's quite a nice night, no rain, or else I would be sleeping down there. And this is my night. Just making sure there are no lights on the horizon for me to bump into. While all this is going, without that wind pilot, I would not be able to do this at all. This is one of the best things on this boat, is the wind pilot. Day 6 and it's still light winds. We're getting some westerlies later on, which will help me come more south, maybe edging on to southwest if I'm lucky. Get out of the bay. I'm just on the edge of the bay of the Biscay, and I just need to be going south and out of it. I reckon it's going to take me another say 3 days to get out of the Bay of Biscay, and then another 4 or 5 to get down to Madeira itself, so not too far now. Been 6 days of battling winds that aren't in my favour, so I think I'm doing good. The boat's good as always. The only problem I had so far with my wasp log, I set out some lines and I thought they were far away from one another, but they got tangled up and I had to take them apart, and I lost a bit of line, but I still kept me wasp log. I don't know where I would be without that. Again, when I first started, my NASA speed log wouldn't work for about 4 days, so I lost 4 days worth of mileage. So the wasp has been working since then, except for a couple of days when I've had to take it out to unravel the curls. If anyone knows of the best way to do that, please let me know. Okay. As you can see, very calm out there. Doing what, 2.5 knots? So we'll see where that's going to get me. And for all those who are asking why I think you've got your spinnaker up in these light winds, the wind is more or less on my nose. But come on, you can't beat this. This is why we come sailing. Not a breath of wind anywhere. I think I'm out of the shipping lanes far enough not to be a hindrance. Looks like I'm going to be here until Saturday night, which is tonight, thank God. It should turn to northerlies then, on what Ian said and what my grips have been saying. So we shall see. Until then, cleaned up inside. As you can see, there's the four-peak door broken off. Well, it's not broken off, it's just come out of the hinges. I'm going to save that until I get to Madeira to fix. Everything else is in ship shape. Everything's stowed, put away safely. Hello there. Well, today's the 7th day and I've done over 750 miles, so I think that's pretty good going considering most of it has been on more or less the nose. Exhausting night last night. Started to rain, everything seemed all okay on deck, so I went down, and then you know when you get a nagging feeling there's something not quite right, came back up, visibility was really down, and there was a fishing boat about, I say about a mile off, and within about 5 minutes it was more or less right next to the boat, and he was just coming along to say hello and that lot, as you do at 2 AM. So he went, and then at 4 AM the winds came in, and that's helping me now go more southwest, well southwest, and I should head straight to Madeira if it keeps up like this, but I do believe it's going around to the northwest and then northeast in the next couple of days, which is good. So I'm gonna sit here. Not as great today as yesterday, but I've got more speed, so I can't moan. Heading in the right direction. What's more to say?